Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. If you're in the Eastern or Central time, I hope we are catching you after lunch. If not, we promise you the next 30 minutes will deliver you some of the groundbreaking stuff you have seen in the market. For the past 16 years, we have appeared in front of you during the holiday season toward the end of the year to thank you for your business, wish you happy holidays, but more importantly, set the tone of what we are going to do and give you some promises for next year and show you what we have done in the former year. So today I am going to discuss 8 points, and then our VP is going to show you 8 remarkable product lines. Let me start by my first 8 points. The first point that I want to touch up upon is that Westgate is the most comprehensive manufacturer you have out there. And why is that important? We are not trying to bring many products and then hope you buy one of them. What we are trying to do is to be the most comprehensive toolbox for you. So where you go to the project, you leave no corner dark and you illuminate everything reliably, sustainably, and efficiently. As Abraham Lincoln said, or is attributed to have said, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. We are your toolbox. We are that sharp axe that you want to take to every project when your reputation is on the line. Next, today we are going to show you some of the exclusive designs. Those designs help you set apart. It's not something you can get through any other brand. And thanks to our product development, we have remarkable designs for you that are going to revolutionize the market. I'm going to show you today. As important as the products are, the fact that we are a wholesaler that it's easy to work with and understand the nuances of business is as important. That's why we have become a no minimum wholesaler as we have always been. And this year we have reduced all and eliminated all the fees that I'm going to show you in the future, in the next slides. So imagine you're going to buy a cup of water or a bottle of water. It may be $1 at Costco, maybe even 25 cents. Do you want to be haggled down for a minimum? The transaction amount might be small, but the value of it to you for your test is a lot. That's why at Westgate, we don't haggle you down. When you need that one trim that costs $2, we ship it for free when you are a WIP customer. Quick delivery, robust website. I'm going to show you some design tools that are remarkable that you're going to see today. So let me move on to the next slide. What we talked about, no added fees. There is no dropship fees, no small order fee, and no accessorial charges. Residential charges, liftgate charges, all have these been removed for WIP customers starting from the silver level. Free shipping. We extended free shipping to many more customers. All you got to do, become a WIP Silvers, open up as a silver account. You don't even have to be gold and platinum anymore, and you get that free shipping. The only condition to keep your free shipping for next year, show us growth. And by growth, I don't mean dollar amount growth only. It's not necessarily to be dollar amount. You can even grow by the SKU counts. Every Monday, our product development sends you a new product, a new series that makes us more complete and comprehensive. Add a few SKUs. I'm not even talking about total quantity purchased. Add more SKUs from Westgate, and that's how you keep that free shipping and no minimum business. Okay, back to the website. Last year, I promised you the My Westgate. It is more complete now for the public. They can check stock, file warranty. This is huge. You don't have to deal with one piece broken here or there. Send them to Westgate website, warranty link. They get it done. We get it done for them. Public can make a project list and email themselves. But if you're an authorized distributor, now you can buy on the Westgate website, even pay, even get RMA tags now. I hope this makes business for you easy. All these additional tabs are here. Next tab, pay attention on our website, is the catalog page. And I know our hot sheet could be 4,500 products. It might be a little bit overwhelming. So go ahead and use this catalog tab when you want to show specific catalogs to your end users. This is the tool we are really excited about. I'm pretty sure you haven't seen it in the lighting industry. If you have, let us know. Custom Builder. Now you can configure products on the website, get the BOM, design it, get it out the door. and order right on the website. So the first category we have ready for you is the SCX series, like I have in this room. I don't know if Kenji can lift the camera and show you or not, but this series, now you want to build it. It might be a little bit, too much work for the brain to do. So let the website do it for you. First, you go and select the shape, or the base, I should say. And as you know, we have from 2-inch, which is the narrow one, all the way up to 6. And don't forget, we have IP66 or even curve where you can make single. Then where you can make circle shapes. Then you have the shapes, square, rectangle, linear, all these things that you see here. So you select your shape. You tell our system one unit that you want to build, what size you want it to have. Then you multiply that unit according to your need. And then the system will ask you what type of corner you want to go with, 6-inch, 1 feet, 1 foot, or 2 foot. Once we go past through that, we are going to ask you what mounting and show you all the mounting options that are relevant to your pick. Surface mount, suspended, recess. If you select surface or suspended, it's going to ask you for the length, as you see here. A 6-inch canopy with no canopy wire. Then we move on to color. You can even select the RAL color there. You put in the RAL code and we pick up that color, show you, confirm that's what you want, or pick from one of our suggested colors. Then you add on to the options you want to add. And you see by this point, you have the BOM ready. You can just put this on a PO, multiply it by the quantity you need, and you're done with business. You have the color here. Print this, send this to us, or email it. But it gets more interesting. You can put the motion sensor on. You can put the emergency backup on, and you can tell us which sections you want those to be, to add those in. Next, you can even select the casing. And Brandon is going to show you about the acoustic casing as well. So I'll let that alone. Now, other options have been chosen, other models that you have here, and then you get the product. As you see here, you can add it to your cart with your pricing, with your distributor pricing, with your WIP pricing. You can add it to your cart, submit your PO, get it done. You can save the design, or you can go back and start again. That's for my portion. I'll be back in about 20 minutes, and wish you again happy holidays and show you what we have lined up as far as the holiday gifts for you, Mr. Brandon.
Excellent. Thank you, Isaac. Yep, appreciate it. First of all, I want to express my gratitude to all of you for taking the time out of your day to tuning in to this webinar and checking out what Westgate's coming out with, these new tools they're fantastic and amazing that can help you be more productive in all of your efforts. We're grateful for the contractors, the distributors, and then our fantastic reps throughout the country that are here as well. One thing I just want to add is that as I go through these products, if you have questions, if they arise, feel free to add them into the chat box. We have a gentleman monitoring those questions, and he can chime in as needed to ask those questions so we can get them addressed. So let's get started. So first of all, here we have 4 exclusive designs, as Isaac mentioned before, that are groundbreaking, revolutionary designs that will really help set Westgate apart from all the other name brands out there. Okay, we have our Tree of Light, which a lot of you have seen. I'm very excited about this Tree of Light. This gives a whole new thought process to area lighting. It can really blend in more with the environment, look more natural and different, and it's really aesthetically pleasing. We'll get more into that later. Our revolutionary pole system here too. This 3-piece pole system is fantastic. Some more add-ons to our SCX linear series, which is one of the most comprehensive and expansive linear lines out there on the market. And then our GPX series, which is so versatile, it's phenomenal. So we'll keep going here. All right, here's 4 categories that we have that are profit building, profit boosting categories for you. You all know that we have all the white goods that everybody else has, but these here are some categories of products that we brought in and have really competitive pricing to allow you to maximize your profit, both from the contractor side to the distributor side, to really just enjoy this at a great price. So we added in these new LED ready recessed can housings. We've been asked time and time again for these, and they are here from 2-inch all the way up to 6-inch. The trims and tracks, the under cabinet lightings, the adjustable, the RGBW, our UCR series that has the receptacles and USB receptacles built into it. Just phenomenal stuff. And T-bar grid lights. If you know, the linear lighting is a little bit expensive, this is a more economical version to get recessed lighting in there looking like linear light. It's a fantastic option. So these categories are terrific. First, I want to talk about our revolutionary three-piece pole system. As you can see here, it's available in two different sizes, 10 foot and 12 foot high, in both black and bronze. And this is just amazing. You see here where they connect together. At those points, they are tamper-resistant screws that hold this pole together. You can mount, as you can see over here, any of our heads. It's just got a regular 2 3/8 tenon up here at the top. So you can mount our GPC head or GPH or GPX head, or you can mount the tree of light to the top of that as well. So it's a very complete, well thought out design, something that's revolutionary, nobody else has, that's really going to just be phenomenal. It ships well because the maximum length is 4 feet, so it'll fit on a pallet and we can get it out the door quick. It's just a phenomenal product. Let's keep going. I talked about the tree of light briefly. Here's a couple fantastic images of our tree of light. We've named our tree of light series based off of the national parks here in the United States. So as you go through our hot sheet and our catalog, you'll see how they're organized and they're complete assemblies in the hot sheet. So it makes it really simple, easy to understand and to order. And adding this as an area light in a park or a zoo or any other place like that or plaza just really will help distinguish that business, that company, that park aside from everybody else. You see a light like this out there, people are going to look and it's going to get attention. We'll move on here to this. This is a little video, as you can see on there, of the tree of light system. The little branch styles, the limbs that we call them, those limbs are fully rotatable, as you can see right there, to really get the light exactly where you need it. They're color selectable in 3, 4, or 5K, easily adjustable, as you can see. You can adapt it. You can really, you can modify this light to be exactly what you want and get the exact amount of light output that you need for your application. It's really fantastic. You look at this in modern type situations, it just is really different and it gets attention. Really easy to assemble and put together. There's quick connects up in all these connections that make it easy for your contractor to install. And you can imagine, based on the design, how easy it is to ship, because it's just plug and play pieces that ship quickly, easy to assemble. Fantastic design. So I'm very excited for our tree of light system. As we get out there and we talk with specifiers and architects about it, they are just raving for this. That's just something different that adds a new aesthetic look to the design of their project. As you can see here too, this just shows you how easy it is to assemble together, that just plug and play, just drops in and connect it. Like we all played with those toys as kids. You can just connect it and put it all together. That's exactly how this works. And it's super simple and really will help set you apart from everybody else. Okay, we talked about the GPX series here. You can see down here in these pictures, you can also mount the GPX to our 3-piece pole system. We now have what you need to get this done, to light these walkways, these areas. It's a fantastic performing light that does a phenomenal job and can be used in unlimited applications, as you can see here. You have the single arm option. We have our twin arm, pole mount, slip fitter, ceiling mount, bell mount, pipe mount, catenary suspension mount, you name it. You can get that light where you need it to be. And with this phenomenal high performing light, it's really something to keep in mind. Don't forget too that all of Westgate's outdoor products have an amazing 7-year warranty, which is better than the standard industry 5-year. That's because we care so much about the quality. We put the time and effort and resources into making sure that these fixtures perform well and outlast everybody else, but still provide exceptional value to you, the contractor, and end user. Track head lights. You asked for it, we brought it in. That's kind of how we do business. So we got a series of track from 2 foot, 4 foot, 6 foot, 8 foot, and all the track heads fully adjustable, color selectable, and white and black. Every track need that you would have. We also have lamp ready options in case that ever is necessary. We can get those for you as well. We have all the connections, the T's, the power supplies, all that jazz. So remember us for track. It's coming back. It's a light that won't, excuse me about that, sorry, that won't go away. Here's some other images of our various track that that you can see there. There's their lamp ready version as well. Just a great option for that. Moving on, our linkable SCX series, as Isaac talked a little bit about earlier. I'll push play on this little video where we talk about it. The SCX series, our linear series, is one of the most complete linear series lights that we have out there on the market. You can do literally almost anything with them. Then with our new optional sensors and T-bar installation, emergency battery backups, we can make the design that you want, that your customer wants. We can make it happen here. We just need a little bit of time to put it together and assemble it, and then we'll get it out the door to you for a quick, easy installation with raving reviews after it's installed. So we've had a lot of success with this. We also have it, like you can see here, in round, rectangular, any color you want. Like Isaac mentioned, any RAL color, we can make it happen, whether it's recessed, mud in, wall mount, suspended, you name it. Unlimited possibilities and options for this amazing line that we've done really, really well with. There's no need to pay a higher premium for any of those name brand lines. Come to us, we'll get it done for you. We'll get it done right. We have in-house designers that can help you with your layouts, and it will be fantastic, fantastic for you. Let's see, let's move, whoops, it keeps going back there. We'll move on to the next one here. Talk about some of the other options for this SCX series. We have it in RGBW. We have these various wood trim colors, the ebony, the French oak, the walnut, the maple. Any color you want to blend in with the environment that it's going to be put in, we can do that. We have acoustical kits in both blue or a gray color that helps reduce the sound reflection off of these fixtures as well. Recess mount, custom color options as we've talked about. The lit corners, the short ones or the longer ones, depending on how they want it to go together. We also have continuous lenses. So if you have long runs, you can pull out the individual lenses and just run one long continuous lens. So no one will be able to even notice that they're separate fixtures. Suspended hexagon shapes, surface mount, recessed, custom color there in the Westgate green. That's pretty sweet. Everybody should put those in. But yeah, we have a fantastic line. Okay, LED recessed housings. You've all asked for them. Very familiar with these. Everybody, a lot of people use these. We now have them from 2-inch to 6-inch. All of our cans are IC rated, so there's no need to worry about that anymore. They're all IC rated. This is one of the highest movers. This is a 6-inch new construction can. It's got your adjustable bracket there, your quick connect for your LED ready. The housing is black to separate us from everybody else. It's got a Wago connector in the junction box. It is ready to go. Super easy to install. From a contractor's perspective, I've installed these cans before myself, and this adjustable bracket right the end there really helps make it easy to line it up exactly where you need it. And the little set screws, of course, to hold it in place. Fantastic product. We have it here at a very competitive price. So please give us an opportunity. Let us get some samples in your hand, get them in your customers' hands. They're going to like it, and it's going to be great. So please remember us for those. Let's see here. Now to go along with those, we have our signature deep baffle LED recessed trims. If you take a look at these pictures, you can see it's about roughly a 2-inch depth baffle trim. So it really looks different. It gives you a different look. It's not a flat look. It looks like just a fantastic look, reduced glare when you're underneath it all over to the side. We have it available in white, black, and oil rub bronze finishes. You can see it from this video. Anywhere from 1.25 to 2-inch depth, depending on the size trim that you get. Just a fantastic housing. Sure, it is a little bit more than those cheaper ones, but it's going to provide a better look. It's going to help set you apart and make it look like you really know what you're doing and care about the look that your customer is getting. But it's a great high-performing light that can snap into our cans. Title 24 compliant for those who need that. Just a fantastic light. So please look at that. That's in the hot sheet there too, as well. Get out of this here. We'll move on to the next one. Canless recessed lights. We have these in options from 1-inch all the way up to 6-inch, white and black finish. You can see the little flange clips that hold it up there. Really nice. Really, I mean, this is I believe that's the 1-inch version. Looks really, really good. Real high performing canless lights. The junction box is included and mounted there. Just a real easy to install light that will meet those architectural designs for a smaller aperture, but really get the light output that you need. So we have those available. To remember, Okay, dim to warm. Dim to warm is kind of a little bit of a niche thing, but it's also very trendy and very popular. It starts out as a 4000K light and dims down to 2200K. So as you just lower the dimmer, they don't need to adjust anything. It will automatically reduce the color and give it kind of that sunset effect, or that more of a warmer ambiance that people are looking for in their homes or businesses or wherever. This version that we're showing here is currently the canless disc. Yeah, wafer. Sorry, there's the word, wafer version. But we have them in other options. We have them in the recessed can snap-ins, or even our disc light. So look for the dim to warm feature if you ever get asked for that. We have those. They're fantastic. We have more of these videos on our website too that you can always send to your customers, your end users, let them check it out so they can kind of see the effect that the light gives you, so that they know what to expect when they get installed into their homes or places of business. So fantastic product. I'm glad we brought those guys in. Moving on to under cabinet lights. This right here is our UCE series. This is our basic, cost-effective under cabinet series. It has an optional power cord. It does not come with a power cord. It's meant to be hardwired. It is color selectable. You turn that switch, and then a high-low switch right there behind it. Really easy. Comes with a little butt connector there on the end, so you can butt these two together, and provide just a phenomenal look at a terrific price to really meet your customers' needs on that. Also, in that same breath there, we have these UCR series. I talked about this before. The UCR series has the adjustable lens, which is really unique. It also has, I'll play that video while I'm talking. It also has the receptacles built in. You can see the standard receptacles and USBs. These are 20 amp rated under cabinet lights. They can be used in kitchen applications on the kitchen circuits, and they have the USBs built into them as well. So this is a phenomenal product. You can see there, they don't need the plugs in the backsplash anymore. It's all up top because it can be part of that kitchen branch circuit per code. So fantastic product. Installs really easy, well thought out for the end user, and designed to help to meet code and help improve the aesthetics of their kitchen areas. Can also be used in offices or anywhere else like that, not necessarily just kitchens. It's very versatile as far as that goes. Color selectable, don't forget that. And it comes with your optional accessories, your power cord, your connectors, and all that fun stuff. Okay, let's move on here to our UCA. This is one of our flagship items, our adjustable under cabinet light. We now offer it in RGBW. Keep forgetting to push that video. We offer it in RGBW as well, white or bronze. Really fantastic. The unique thing about our RGBW is that you don't necessarily need a remote control for it. These little buttons right here can cycle through the colors and get that mood or that ambiance just the way you want it, and the color that you want it, in a fantastic high performing under cabinet light. Available from 8-inch all the way up to 42-inch. Just a fantastic light. If you need to see a sample of it, please ask your local distributor or rep, and we can make that happen, get that to you. So you can check it out for yourselves and see how great it is, and see how it can really change the look of your kitchen or office or wherever you decide to put it. It's a great light. Let's see here. We have a couple links on our website, on our main page. We have our Westgate Custom Builder, as Isaac talked about earlier. We're going to continue to add products to it aside from just the SCX series. As we continue to grow as a company and expand our offering, we're going to have more and more custom builders on there, so you can really design your projects with your end users or your contractors and get your bill of material laid out and make it super easy for you to process that order and get it going. And then we talked about our promotional catalogs. Again, they're on that main page. Customer wants to see more detail or more pictures or images or what have you, they're going to be in these catalogs. And if you don't have the information that you need from these two links, feel free to ask us. Ask your distributor, ask your rep, ask us, and we can get you the information you need to solidify the sale and to really help alleviate any concerns that they might have. But we're always thinking about that. We're always thinking about what we can do to help make it easier for you to do business with us. And we appreciate, like Isaac mentioned, we appreciate all your support and the trust that you give us as a company. We are continuing to grow and grow. And as we do that, we're just very appreciative of our customers, because we know without you, we wouldn't be here having the success that we are. And we appreciate you for that. And we really view you as family. So thank you very much. I'm going to turn the time back over to Isaac here for a minute to wrap this up.
Thank you, Brandon. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I also want to take a moment to appreciate our product development team. As I spoke to you about comprehensiveness, this slide was about 100 slides. I had to beg them to cut it to 35 or whatever it is now. So I delivered you 8 points. Brandon delivered you 8 points, together 16, if I do the math correctly, and that's our 16-year anniversary, and that should set you up for a success in 2025. To appreciate you for the holiday time, we have these hats that we are going to send on your first order that you place. As soon as we get the hats, I think should be end of next week, we're going to start shipping you a nice dozen boxes of this, and exclusive our WIP get extra of these as well. Here, our team usually gets together around Thanksgiving. They also are grateful to you, and we sponsor the cook-off, which you see with Brandon and our kids there. We did about 300, 400 soups and meals, and 300 meals for homeless people in Skid Row, Santa Monica. And as you support us to meet our goals, is our pledge to continue doing this stuff together with our company. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy Holiday to you all, and see you soon. Thank you.